When it comes to booking a place to stay, many people turn to rental apartments, drawn by the charm and the opportunity to experience a destination like a local. But with the convenience and comfort of renting comes a lingering concern: security. Unlike hotels, where you can generally trust the management to maintain a safe environment, renting an apartment often means you're not fully aware of who has access to the space when you're not there. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up a simple and reliable surveillance system in your rental apartment using Banalytics VMS. By doing so, you can ensure peace of mind and monitor your space, knowing you're in control no matter where you are. With Banalytics VMS, all you need is a laptop to configure and monitor your USB camera. Let's walk through the setup process. Start by installing Banalytics VMS on your laptop. You'll find the download and installation guide linked in the video description. Once you've installed the software, the next step is to add your built-in camera. Don't worry, we've linked a tutorial on how to do that in the description as well. Make sure you have a motion detection and motion recording task configured for your camera. Again, links to those tutorials are provided in the description to guide you through the process. Next, create a Telegram bot through your personal Telegram account. After that, integrate the Telegram bot with Banalytics VMS. You can follow the detailed steps in a related tutorial, which is also linked in the description. Finally, we'll set up your laptop to send video alerts to your Telegram bot. To do this, we'll create a new rule in the Event Manager. You'll specify the motion detection task as the trigger and select the Telegram bot as the destination for notifications. Now that the system is set up, you can head out and enjoy your day, knowing your apartment is secure.